Blue Dot Tax Software Review User Experience. Blue Dot is an AI-driven tax compliance platform that automates the management of employees' driving transactions, ensuring adherence to global tax regulation. It focuses on optimizing value, added tax, VAT recovery, and managing taxable employee benefit, which is TEB, catering primarily to large enterprise with complex tax requirement. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a VAT optimization, taxable employee benefit management, AI-powered compliances, and integration capability. And here are the pros and cons about this platform, which is an enhanced compliances, which automate the process and reduce manual error and ensure adherence to complex country-specific tax regulation, and also increase in VAT recovery. Advanced analytics and AI capacity maximize VAT reclaim opportunity, positively impacting the bottom line. And also, they offer a comprehensive report which provides details, insight, and analytics supporting informed data-driven decision making. And also, they design to handle a large volume of transaction, making it suitable for global enterprise with extensive operation. And here's the downside about this platform, which is a complex implementation. The advanced features and integration may require significant time and resources to implement the effectively. And also cost consideration. While pricing details are not publicly disclosed, the comprehensive nature of this platform suggests it may be a substantial investment, potentially limited accessibility for smaller business, and also the learning curve. And here the final verdict about this platform. Blue Dot offer a robust and intelligent solution for enterprise seeking to automate and optimize their tax compliance process, particularly in VAT recovery and employee benefit taxation. Its AI-driven approach and comprehensive features provide significant advantage in compliance in financial effectively. However, organizations should be prepared for complexity of implementation and consider the investment required to fulfill utilize its potential.